non head jong bangke state government la pen central government even the 6 organization rebel group militants group la tum tame hang a step ta deng kon pelang la high step bang mane isi consensus aphan alang litum rat aphan ke hang ji kali alang litum mit hang alam don apu thak se alang litum positivity si alang litum kewar dam lok arong sunit pura long tame song bijiding ti kathar tame lam don along a negativity alam bang kalang li jathan nam de only he was drawing attention towards the positivity litum pubom diti development in the name of development ili tumalong lebang jorkang det in the name of development ili tumalong along amazing hoy kep jorkang det longri kep jorkang det la bangke chok chiderji bisin litum pubom development ke lake it is a continuous process government lewang tin sita me development ke long bompo medical college ta piniani humwalang non inkan flip hoge kulong tuji school de tu long ji college ta long ji university ta long bom ji it's a continuous process government of india ben silai ke long bom lu sita me non ilituma phan constitution pen rights nang pi aron nang par japi bom labang so aron jong si me thang chi charkan kang pet chi thum kang pet chewar kang chor pulutang te labang ke aron ke than kang long si lituma long leta dun juiji aron ke than kang long si litum identity ta dun juiji piniar ni council long kachari bo matum sita me alang litum ta me tribal lang selo karbitum sai selo ahok lo identity polam do alang litum kar village pu bom sita ame thang long ria we dette alang litum kunat lo ke dopo identity e bang kalang tum chepang bo be dadang ji la se identity chepang bo i be long dang te ilitum rights nang bi pikok la bang so rights bang ke ilitum chot head nang ji la si song thok atum la pen council lo state government central government lo la bang so asit kep ke war kang chor bang ke nitum kroy kre la pena preamble lang mata pachok chederlo article 371 long tame hala dak tame article 244a ke hang bom ilitum kar biara datum de mahasau pen la pen tribal tum an hang bom hala so long tame alang litum pulo je final conclusion sila so peace court ke wan lo puta how can it be the final conclusion without implementing articles 244a without restoring the power of 6th schedule which has been diluted by the central and the state government lasi lahai hui long bang litum thedung pen ke kham the ing ton pon pe la pen che song bongji la pen state government central government karbi long ton mas council song throk tum adai thedung busil litum rat angnu ni jai pon